Hi everyone, in this second part of modeling the cooking pot as shown here. So let's just zoom in. I'm gonna working on just the handle, how to create the hole that's going to cut through this handle. In order to let you hold in the cooking pot from this handle also, let's move on. So let's continue using the knife tool, just hit key from the keyboard. I'm going to hit the escape key from the keyboard in order to disable the knife tool process. Also we need to click on the 7 on the numpad like this for the top view. We are going to create a symmetrical hole as shown here on the x-axis. So let's add a mirror modifier. Let's use the knife tool just to make this cutting through the handle. Hit enter. Switch to face selection mode. Then let's delete these two faces. So we should set the mirror modifier to bisect on y-axis, also flipping on y-axis, and the symmetry will be symmetrical to y-axis like this. And what we need now, hit 7 on the numpad. Let's just zoom in. Go to X-ray mode and Ctrl 7 to rotate it. Use the knife tool also to... Let's switch to vertex selection mode using the knife tool. Using the knife tool in order to make this symmetrical and identical the upper part. Also for the just like this. Hit 7 for the top view. Also toggle to X-ray mode. Then Ctrl 7. We are going to use the knife tool to use it symmetrical to the upper part, like this. Just a little bit like this. Hit enter. We should delete the vertex of the middle. Toggle to the solid mode. Let's fill all these gaps like this. Select the 4 vertices like this. Hit F. Select the 4 vertices, then hit F also. Let's do it for these gaps to fill these spaces. A to select everything, then Shift N to recalculate normals, M to merge by distance. I have no problem with duplicated vertices. I think this will be so good. Let's add more topology for some single vertices, like in this case. Hit 7 for the top view using the knife tool. Also, let's make it just symmetrical like this, the other side. Using the knife tool also. Using the knife tool. So let's make it also for the other part. I think this will be fine. And you have just some problems to make an angle over there. Let's take a look around. I've created also angles over there. So let's make more quads to avoid this kind of bad topology due to the adding angles. Also make it for that. This will be fine. Also let's make it like just a tiny bit like this. Hit G twice and grab it a little bit to be symmetrical to the other side. So let's do it for this 4 vertices on this side.